we will show you how to install Windows 10. Select your preferences and press Next. Press Install now. If you have a product key, type it in the box and press Next. If you don't, click on I don't have a product key. Select which type you want to install and press Next. Check the box and press Next. Go to Custom Install. If you already had Windows installed, you might have here multiple disks, some with files on them. Remember that deleting a disk with files on it from here will remove the files forever. I recommend having all important files backed up on a drive before reinstalling your Windows. Manage your disk storage. After you are done, select the one on which you want to install the Windows and press Next. After installation is finished, you need to select the last preferences. If you don't want to sign into a Microsoft account, you need to press on the offline account. Then select Limited Experience. Now choose a username. If you don't want to set up a password for the computer, leave the field empty. Pass by the next preferences and you are ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.